What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do first in the morning?
First, I go to the bathroom.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a warm shower.
How long is your shower?
My shower's about 10 minutes.
Do you wash your hair every day?
No, I wash my hair 3 times a week.
What do you use to dry yourself?
I use a towel to dry myself.
Do you brush your teeth in the morning?
Yes, I brush my teeth every morning.
How often do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth twice a day.
Do you comb your hair?
Yes, I comb my hair after my shower.
Do you use a hair dryer?
Yes, I use a hairdryer every morning.
Do you put on makeup?
Yes, I put on a little makeup before work.
How long does your makeup take?
It takes about 10 minutes.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, I make my bed every morning.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat yogurt with fruit and cereal.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink tea with honey.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
Do you eat breakfast alone?
No, I eat breakfast with my husband.
Where do you eat breakfast?
We eat breakfast in the kitchen.
What time do you get dressed?
I get dressed at 8 o'clock.
Where are your clothes?
My clothes are in the wardrobe.
What do you wear to work?
I wear a blouse and a skirt to work.
Do you wear a uniform?
No, I don't wear a uniform.
What is your favorite color for clothes?
My favorite color is navy blue.
Do you wear jewelry?
Yes, I wear earrings and a necklace.
What shoes do you wear to work?
I wear black heels to work.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I always wear a watch.
Where is your handbag?
My handbag is near the door.
What do you put in your handbag?
I put my wallet, phone, keys, and lipstick in my handbag.
Do you check yourself in the mirror?
Yes, I check myself in the mirror before I leave.
Do you wear perfume?
Yes, I wear a little perfume every day.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8:30.
Do you lock the door?
Yes, I always lock the door.
Where are your keys?
My keys are in my handbag.
How do you get to work?
I get to work by metro.
How long do you wait for the train?
I wait for about 3 minutes.
Is the metro usually crowded?
Yes, the metro is very crowded in the morning.
Do you sit or stand on the metro?
I usually stand on the metro.
How long is your journey to work?
My journey is about 25 minutes.
What do you do on the metro?
I read a book or listen to a podcast.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Do you ever walk to work?
Sometimes I walk when the weather is nice.
What time do you arrive at work?
I arrive at work at 9 o'clock.
Do you say hello to your colleagues?
Yes, I say good morning to everyone.
Where is your desk?
My desk is in an open office.
What do you do first at work?
First, I turn on my computer and check my emails.
What is your job?
I'm an accountant.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job very much.
How long have you worked there?
I have worked there for 3 years.
Do you work on a computer?
Yes, I work on a computer all day.
How many emails do you get every day?
I get about 40 emails every day.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, I have 1 or 2 meetings a day.
Where are the meetings?
The meetings are in the meeting room.
Do you take notes in meetings?
Yes, I take notes on my laptop.
Do you work with other people?
Yes, I work with a team of 6 people.
Is your boss a man or a woman?
My boss is a woman.
Is she nice?
Yes, she is very nice and helpful.
Do you have a break in the morning?
Yes, I have a short break at 11.
What do you do during your break?
I drink tea and chat with my colleagues.
Is there a kitchen at your work?
Yes, there is a small kitchen on our floor.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I eat lunch in the cafeteria.
What time is your lunch break?
My lunch break is at 1 o'clock.
How long is your lunch break?
My lunch break is 45 minutes.
What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat a salad and soup.
Do you eat with your colleagues?
Yes, I eat with 2 colleagues from my team.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 o'clock.
How do you get home from work?
I take the metro home.
What time do you arrive home?
I arrive home at about 7 o'clock.
Are you tired after work?
Yes, I am usually tired after work.
What do you do when you arrive home?
I change my clothes and wash my hands.
Do you take off your shoes at home?
Yes, I take off my shoes and put on slippers.
Where do you put your handbag?
I put my handbag on the shelf.
Do you check your phone?
Yes, I check my personal messages.
Do you rest a little?
Yes, I sit on the sofa and rest for a few minutes.
Does your husband help at home?
Yes, my husband helps with cooking and cleaning.